Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the Thomson Smart TV service menu. Please make sure the TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Thomson infrared remote. Always take photos of the original settings before making changes. Wrong adjustments may cause display or software issues. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1. Most effective Thomson service menu code. This is the most widely working service menu method for Thomson TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Then press 0, 0, 0, 0 in sequence. The Thomson service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work, do not worry. Now try the next method. Method 2. Alternative service menu code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Then press 1999 in sequence. On some Thomson models, this opens the service or factory menu. Method 3. Factory menu using input code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the input or source button on the remote. Then press 2580 in sequence. This method works on some older and mid-range Thomson TVs. Once you enter the service menu, you will see advanced options. From this menu, you can check panel information and panel type. You can view software version and factory data. You can access white balance and calibration options. You can enable or disable store or demo mode. You can also check error logs and usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. Now I will explain how to exit the Thomson service menu safely. Press the power button once on the remote. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on normally. This ensures the TV boots without software or display issues. If this video helped you fix your Thomson Smart TV problem, please give this video a like. Share this video with your friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.